Alright guys, let's look at question 3 here. Erica makes a banner using 4 sheets of paper. Each paper measures 9 inches by 10 inches. What's the total area of Erica's banner? So what I went ahead and I drew out here is I did my 4 sheets of paper. I just labeled them A, B, C, and D. Each paper, it said, was 9 inches by 10 inches. And then I want to know what the total of area of all the banners are together. So that's when I came and I brought down my answer for A, B, C, and D. I had to add all those together to find my area. So that's what I did for my picture. So let's find the area for paper A. We know we have 9 groups of 10. 9 times 10 is 90 inches. And now if all of these are 90 inches, then, or I should say if all papers are 9 times 10, everybody's area is going to be 90. Okay? So now I can say that I have 4 groups of 90 inches is going to equal my area. Let's do an A for area. If I can't multiply that big number, I can add, but I bet we can figure out how to multiply it. What's 4 times 9? Hopefully you got 36, and then we just have to add our 0 because we did 4 times 90 instead. So A is going to equal 360 inches, square inches, because we're doing area. So if we come here, and now if we write our sentence, our third part here, let's see, what is the total area of Erica's banner? Erica's banner has a total area of 360 square inches. Each of the 4 pages has an area of 90 square inches. Altogether, the 4 sheets have a combined area of 360 square inches. Let's move on to question 4 in the back here. Monica scored 32 points for her team at the Science Bowl. She got 5 4-point questions correct, and the rest of her points came from answering 3-point questions. How many 3-point questions did she get correct? So she got a total of 32 points. She's got 5 4-point questions correct, so 5 4-point questions, and the rest were 3-point questions. I want to focus on how many were 3-point questions that she got correct. So let's see here first. She got 5 4-point questions correct, so I wonder how many points that equals. So she had 5 groups of 4 that she got correct, right? We'll put a C for correct. And then the rest were 3-point questions. So if we come here, let's think about our number bond. We're going to have 32 total points. And we're going to have here, I'm going to put my equation in here. We haven't really done that in class. But to me that makes sense because I'm going to put my answer for C here. So 5 times 4 equals C. And then that'll help give me the remainder. We'll put a, there are 3-point questions, so we'll put a T so that we can figure out what those 3-point questions are for the rest of our problem. So I started my number sentence here. 5 times 4, I know that. C equals 20 points. So now if I look at my number bond, I have 32 for my total. Then I have 20, and I still have the unknown T. Now I just need to find the difference. 32 minus 20 equals T. And if we bring that over here so we can see our math, 2 minus 0 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So she scores, so T equals 12 points. But if we look here, it doesn't want to know how many points she scored. It wants to know how many 3-point questions she answered. So now I need to take my 12 total points and divide it into groups of 3 to figure out how many 3-point shots she's made. So we're going to have a third picture. Let's count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, and she made 1, 2, 3, 4 total questions correctly. Oh, we got to put another variable here. Let's call it B. So B equals 4 questions. So I'm running out of room, so we're going to make my sentence here real quickly. Monica answered 4. Ooh, this is that funny one that we did. So I'm going to say, instead of putting the number 3, because it'll look like 43, I'm going to spell it. 4 3-point questions. I'm thinking basketball. Monica answered 4 3-point questions correctly. Monica scored 20 points when she answered her 4-point questions correctly. She had 12 more points to add to her total of 32 points. If we divide 12 divided by the 3 points for each question, so if we divide 12 divided by 3, then our answer will be 4. Really long answer. I took a lot of space. There's lots of parts to that question today. Let's look at question 5 here. Kim's black kitten weighs 175 grams. Her gray kitten weighs 43 grams, less than the black kitten. What is the total weight of the 2 kittens? So the black cat weighs 175 grams. The gray one weighs 43 grams less than the black kitten. So let's do a picture here. First we have the black cat, and it weighs 175 grams. And the gray cat weighs 43 grams less than the black kitten. I don't know how much that kitten actually weighs, though. But I know it's 43 grams less. So first we need to subtract 175 grams minus 43 grams to figure out how much that gray kitten weighs. 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 1 minus nothing is 1. So the gray cat weighs 132 grams. This is X. Okay. Now it says, what is the total weight of the 2 kittens? So now, maybe we'll put a C for the cats again. One cat weighs 175 grams. A second cat weighs 132 grams. But how much do they weigh all together? That's what we need to figure out now. Sorry, you can't read all my answers. There we go. So now our second portion, to go with our picture, is 175 grams plus 132 grams. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10, but I need to carry that over. My 2 cats together weigh 307 grams, which is the answer for C. Okay? I'm running out of time for this video, so I want you to make up your own sentence to finish up that answer and answer number 6 independently. And we'll see how you do tomorrow, guys. Good luck!